Hey everyone, welcome back to the Trubo Legacy, and today we're talking about a car that doesn't just arrive, it dominates. The all-new 2026 Audi A6 is not here to compete. It is here to rule. This is the king of United States cars in its class. Refined, aggressive, intelligent, and unbelievably beautiful. And when you see it in that stunning yellow and black combination, something changes. It's no longer just an Audi. It becomes a statement. The 2026 Audi A6 takes everything we loved about the past and pushes it straight into the future. Sleeker lines, sharper attitude, smarter technology, and a presence that makes traffic stop and stare. This car doesn't scream for attention. It commands respect. Luxury buyers, performance lovers, and daily drivers are all looking at the same thing and saying one word: wow. Price. Now here's where things get crazy, because what I'm about to say sounds impossible. But Audi made it possible. When you look at the design, the technology, the luxury, and the performance of the 2026 Audi A6, your mind automatically jumps to a six-figure price tag. You expect something outrageous. You expect something only VIPs and executives can touch. But then the numbers hit you. The expected starting price of the 2026 Audi A6 in the United States is around $57,000 to $60,000. Let that sink in. For under $60K, you're getting a car that looks like it should cost $90,000. A car that feels handcrafted. A car that gives you premium German engineering, advanced technology, luxury comfort, and performance that makes every drive feel special. Low budget, unlimited benefits, luxury, performance, beauty is status. Feels unreal, but this car proves it's possible. Audi didn't just lower the price. They raised the standard. Exteriors designed. Now let's talk about what everyone notices first: the exterior. The 2026 Audi A6 looks sharp, confident, and absolutely modern. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, with a blacked-out honeycomb design that gives it a sporty and premium attitude. Those signature Audi LED matrix headlights look like laser blades cutting through the road. And when this car is finished in yellow with black accents, it's something else entirely. The yellow body isn't loud. It's rich, deep, and elegant. Paired with black mirrors, black window trims, black wheels, and dark detailing, the contrast is perfect. The side profile is long and clean, giving the A6 that executive sedan stance, low, planted, and confident. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to back, making the car look fast even when it's standing still. At the rear, Audi keeps things classy but aggressive. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back, connected by a light bar that looks futuristic at night. The black diffuser and integrated exhaust design add just enough sportiness, without ruining the luxury feel. This is not a car that ages quickly. This is a design that will still look fresh 5, 6, even 7 years from now. It's beautiful, it's special, and it feels expensive. Because it is. Interiors designed. Step inside the 2026 Audi A6, and the outside world disappears. This cabin is all about calm luxury. Premium leather seats, soft touch materials everywhere, brushed aluminum and piano black finishes, and ambient lighting that wraps around you like a quiet glow. The yellow exterior might turn heads, but the black interior makes you feel powerful. Everything is driver-focused, perfectly placed, and built with German precision. This isn't just an interior, it's an experience. Technology and infotainment. Audi went all in on technology. A massive dual-screen setup dominates the dashboard, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, voice control, and intelligent navigation are all standard. The system is fast, smooth, and incredibly intuitive. This car doesn't just keep up with technology, it leads. Rear seats. The rear seats of the 2026 Audi A6 are built for comfort, not compromise. Plenty of legroom, excellent headroom, and supportive cushioning make long drives easy. Rear passengers get their own climate controls, charging ports, and premium materials, because luxury shouldn't stop at the front seats. Competitions. The Audi A6 goes head-to-head with the BMW 5 Series, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and Lexus ES. And here's the truth. Audi offers the best balance. More technology than Lexus. More comfort than BMW. More modern design than Mercedes. That's why the A6 stands tall. Engine and performances. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi A6 delivers smooth, confident power. Expected engine options include turbocharged 4-cylinder and V6 setups, paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. Acceleration is quick, handling is precise, and the ride is unbelievably smooth. Whether you're cruising the highway or attacking corners, the A6 feels controlled and powerful. This is performance without stress. Safeties and driver's assistances. Audi packs the A6 with advanced safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and parking assistance all work together seamlessly. The car watches the road so you can enjoy the drive. Confidence comes standard. Comfort and driving experiences. Driving the 2026 Audi A6 feels effortless. The suspension absorbs bumps like magic. The cabin stays quiet, and the steering feels perfectly balanced. It's a car that relaxes you during traffic and excites you on open roads. Comfort and control, perfectly blended. European launched and market impacts. The Audi A6 has already created massive excitement in European markets, and that momentum is heading straight to the United States. Luxury buyers are paying attention. Competitors are worried. Audi didn't just launch a car, they shifted the market. Final thoughts. The all-new 2026 Audi A6 is proof that luxury doesn't have to be impossible. Beautiful design, advanced technology, strong performance, and an unbelievable price point, all in one package. Yellow and black never looked this powerful. This isn't just a car, this is the king.